In today's video, we will discuss about the yield keyword in Python. Yield keyword is basically used to create a generator function and a type of a function that is memory efficient and can be used like an object. So let's create it. I'm going to create a cube generator. For this, I'm using function loop and then adding a yield operator instead of a return statement. So this will be a generator function this time. Then I'm using an input. Now I'm creating a generator object. It means I'm calling my function and passing a value in it and then iterating over a generator to print the cube. So I am using the cubes, the object that I have created inside the loop. So here I'm iterating it. That is what we call a generator function. So let's test our file and see what is going to be the output, that whether we are getting a cube or not. So let me run it, and here we got our output. I'm entering an input number. Let's suppose I want 5. So for 1 it's 1, for 2 the cube of 2 is 8, then same with 27, 64 and 125. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.